Gender and Development Training at Hotel Benilde Maison de la Salle.
And celebrate differences. May we become advocates of positive change, individuals who challenge stereotypes, address discrimination, and promote inclusive policies and programs in our school and in our community. As we begin this journey together, let us open our minds and our hearts. May we listen, shape, and collaborate, guided by our shared mission to serve with compassion, integrity, and professionalism. Throughout our collective efforts, we can truly bridge the gender gap and promote equality for all. Thank you, and I wish everyone a productive and meaningful training. Blessed day to everyone, and mabuhay.
Pero ewan ko kung sa liit ng katawan ko nito, ewan ko bakit ko nadala yung backpack na yun. Naitatakbo ko pa pag may encounter. Pero siya, ang liit-liit niya, payat. Company commander siya. Tinanong ako ng mga taga-Lasal, so anong nangyari, sir? Because she adjusted. The soldiers adjusted to the situation. She adjusted to the situation. Bakit sir, kaunti lang ang babae na nasa front line? Hindi daw sila binibigyan ng equal opportunity. Alam nyo, the Philippine society, kahit pag-aralan ninyo, is not yet ready to accept the fact of the first woman casualty.
Ariana.